Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you are like me and you're a little bit of a spatula snob, don't worry, Gourmet Easy has got us covered. This is their stainless steel fish spatula set, which I do cook a lot of fish, but it works on many different items in the kitchen so well. I really appreciate that it is a one solid piece of 304 stainless steel. I can work with my delicate fish as well without breaking it. And that grip right here is just fantastic. It's everything that I'm looking for. I like that there is an angled design, especially at the tip. And it has a ultra thin edge that helps me glide under my delicate food without breaking it. The design of the spatula is stunning, very appealing to the eye. This is not only very useful in the kitchen, even in my deeper pots, it works great because the large spatula is 13.6 inches. The smaller one is 10.8 inches. So I find that it's very useful. I think that the handle is really nice because I always have a good grip, and I like that there's no bending that happens, even if I'm working in the kitchen, scraping the bottom of the pan or lifting up heavier foods or even serving my food. This is incredibly useful. I also like that it is rust proof. It is a non slip handle. I always have a wonderful grip, but it's still smooth. It makes a great gift, and I can throw it in the dishwasher. So it is fantastic. We love it, but that's just my point of view.